Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing great today. So I am a little late to the wagon. My Boxy charm came in late, but we're gonna do my Boxy charm unboxing. If you don't know what this is, it's a subscription box. It's $21 a month and you get full-size products, 4 to 5. And it's been awesome for me. I've gotten it maybe about a year now and I've loved every box except maybe 1 or 2. But I mean, for the price you're paying, it's normally well over $100 and you can't go wrong. So let's see what we got. So it comes in a box and I have opened it as far as taking the plastic piece off right here, but I haven't seen what's inside, so it's new to me just as well as it is to you. But it comes like this. And it normally comes with a card. And this month it says, Boxy Charm, Life at the Party, Live It Up. It looks like this. And it tells you about the products. Also has a coupon on the back. I can leave that link down below if you would like that. But it tells you how much each thing is. And it also gives you some information about it. So let's see what we got. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so the first thing I pull out is House of Lashes, and it looks like this. Now that looks like way not my style. I'm normally like, I like a little long fluttery on the end. This looks like it is very dramatic. This is in the style Femme Fatale, and they are handmade. You can wear them several times, and let's see what it says about it. So this one is $9 to $12 depending on what kind. It's cruelty free. You can get about 15 wears and you just pull out the lash glue. So yeah, I will definitely put them on to see how I like them, but I don't think I'll be wearing these too much. I have smaller eyes, so anything looks like that, it just looks crazy on me. But I mean, to get House of Lashes in a Boxy Charms box is really good. So the next thing I see in the box is Adesse New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment. I try to grow out my nails every once in a while and I have succeeded, but they are so brittle and they break off so bad, it's just not even worth it to me. But it looks like this and you get a lot of product, definitely. But it's an oil treatment. And this one is Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. Treat your nails. It's the lightweight non-greasy formula, vitamin E. It has sweet almond jojoba oil, and this is $18. So yeah, $18 is not bad. That's kind of expensive, but I mean, if it works, hey, my nails need all the help it can get, you know. Next thing I see is Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal. And if you don't know who Laura Lee is, are you living under a rock? She is a YouTuber on YouTube and she is amazing. So definitely check her out and support her for this. I think this is awesome. But it looks like this and it's very bright colors. I think that would be fun to do like a pop of color on the lash line. Maybe blend the orange up in the crease. And that blue though, that dark blue right there is really calling my name. And this here is so sparkly and gorgeous. So yeah, that would be fun for the summer, definitely. And that will run $19. So yeah, not bad at all to get that. That's exciting to get that in the box this month. Next thing I have is Bang Beauty. Let's see what this is. This is an eyeliner. Okay, so this is a potted eyeliner. It's in dark brown. It looks like that. It almost looks like it could be, it's a gel eyeliner. It almost looks like you could use that as an eyebrow pomade, but it's a chocolate eyeliner. I don't really wear chocolate on my eyes, but I definitely would try that out. I normally go for black, but yeah, that would be fun to try. And that is $22. Wow. Is it waterproof? Oh, see, here we go. Uses the eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even a touch up your brows. Creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. So yeah, there you go, $22, not bad. I'll definitely try this. Next thing I see in the box is Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I love these things. My under eyes get so dry sometimes and I love eye gels, but you get 3. And this one says, where is it? After a night of partying, who doesn't love an eye mask? Gold foil under eye mask, brighten, hydrate, and reduce appearance of dark circles. Has hyaluronic acid, diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extract and lavender oil cool and soothe the under eyes. Don't that sound awesome? This is $13, so not bad. I don't know if that's $13 per one or for all three, but not bad. I love eye mask. And the last thing I see in the box is Smashbox Be-legendary lipstick, and that goes for $21 to $24. I know each box this month had variations on what each person would get, but I have this one, and this is create bold, beautiful looks with your Smashbox lip product. Pigment loaded colors glides on just one swipe. Get you out of the door in the party quicker. Shades and diminishes may vary. This is $21 to $24. And I, of course, got Power of Matte. What is your color? Does it tell me what the color is? I don't see it. What is your color? Oh my goodness. It just says Power on Matte Be-legendary lipstick. I don't really see a color. Whoa, that is bright. Look how bright that is. Oh my goodness. Definitely very, very pigmented. Like, watch this. You barely touch the skin. So yeah, wow. That is bright. I don't really know if I would wear this. I don't really like bright colors on me. I don't think they look good, but I will definitely try it. It says studio tip, want a plump pout, dab a lighter shade on center of lower lip. So it even gives you a little advice on how to make lips look better. Okay, so let's see what our Boxy Charm total is for the month. So let's see. $9, $21, $13, $22, and $18. So our total for the month is $102 for the box. So I mean, $21 and you already get $102 worth of products. You cannot beat it at all. It is a great subscription. I guess if I had to choose, my favorites would actually be the eye mask, and I would definitely am curious to try the pomade, and I don't really like bright colors, but I will try this on the lash line. I think that would be fun to pop a pretty color on the lash line. But yeah, this month's not the best Boxy Charm I've ever had, but it definitely is not the worst that I've ever had, and I'd still support Boxy Charm. I think they're a great company. But yeah, tell me what you got in your box this month. What was your favorite product? Did you like your box? Did you not like your box? And make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Become a part of the Tea Club. Make sure you like the video. If you want to see more like this, leave me some comments. Let me know what is the next video you would like to see. And yeah, I love you. Thank you so much for coming to support me. And I will see you next time. Bye.